This is a conversation that I had with somebody a while back, and the reason that I'm bringing this up is because this isn't the only time this has happened. So I think I posted a video, and my follower here said, "Congratulations, very sweet, thank you." So I said thanks because I appreciated that, but then my follower said, "Never mind." And I've seen this before, people using "never mind" after someone says thank you. And you'll see that I have a little sad face because never mind means forget what I said, I didn't mean it. I take back what I said. So essentially, when Alanyazi said never mind, she was saying, never mind, I don't actually want to congratulate you. So I made a sad face because I was like, why, And I said, but why? Because I wasn't quite sure what was going on, but I saw other non-native speakers using this never mind, and I'm not sure where you guys are learning this from, but never mind is not a response to thank you. If someone says thank you, you can simply say, "You're welcome," or "no problem," something like this. But don't say never mind, because again, never mind means I take back what I said. I didn't mean it in the first place. And just to clarify, a good use of never mind would be something like, let's say I can't find my keys. So usually when I can't find something, I ask my wife if she knows where the thing is, because she just magically knows where things are. I don't know how, but she does. So I'd say, "Honey, I can't find my keys." So then I assume she's looking around, but then if I find the keys, I'd say, "Oh, never mind. I take back what I said because I did, in fact, find my keys." So that would be an appropriate use of never mind. But don't use it to respond to thank you.